Great thinkers, in the attempt to guide the evolution of social and political systems, have studied the behavior of individuals and groups with the goal of uncovering facts and trends upon which future behavior can be predicted and problems solved before they can spiral out of control. This is the noble work of the sociologist. Hobbes' views were embellished by his fellow countryman John Locke, who championed the notion of reason as being the best way to grasp the truth of individual behavior and the role of institutional functioning of church and government. Economics has always been a guiding force in the development of a society, as how a person earns a living has great influence on attitudes, values, and beliefs. In 1776, the year that marked the start of the American Revolution, Adam Smith, the 18th century Scottish philosopher, published an inquiry into the nature and causes of the wealth of nations. Workers left home in favor of centralized workplaces or factories, where raw materials were mass-produced into finished goods. Workers became specialized in aspects of production and earned hourly wages from employers who often cared less for them than their machines. Traditional communities declined and urban cities flourished. Frenchman Claude Henry Saint-Simon was one of the first to realize the changes industrialization perpetuated on social order and class structure, and argued for a science of society that would be on equal footing with the natural sciences. Auguste Comte postulated that the new kinds of social disorder were unable to be rectified by obsolete idea systems. Comte popularized Saint-Simon's vision and coined the term sociology, and is usually regarded as the first sociologist. Emile Durkheim sought to study the elements of society's structure by which it functioned and through which social order was maintained. Unlike Hobbes and Rousseau, Durkheim rejected the notion of rational self-interest in favor of an underlying set of moral norms and values, or a collective conscience that produced what he called mechanical solidarity. Sociology saw a proliferation of new models, attempting to explain rapidly evolving and increasingly complex social behavior. Known as the midwife of modern sociology, Talcott Parsons was a meta-theorist who worked toward developing a single composite theory of society by synthesizing attributes of social action, culture, personality, and behavior. In his book, The Structure of Social Action,